All right. Top of the world. Choo 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 choo. I'm just gonna record all the time because then I'll forget to turn it on and off.
I just recorded that last round, that was it. I had a GoPro, got shot out.
Oh.
So I stopped using them, so I bought this one. It has a shield that goes over it completely, and it didn't. I've gotten hit, you can see on this one.
Oh yeah.
A little dot right there. I've gotten hit, but it barely even scratched it.
The nice thing about this one is the case I have, I can unscrew the lens out and put a new cover over it.
Yeah.
So I'll take it. All right.
Where'd your dad go?
I don't know. He went that way. Ah. Well, how should we do this one? Let's see. Go up here real quick. We got one person start there. We got one person start over here. Or over here. And then you want to try over there? Yeah. Right. Well, this has a bunch of boulders over here, so we'll try that next. If you want to go straight, someone go straight on the other side of that rock. There's a bunch of rocks over there, and then there's this rocks, and then I'll go over here. All right, I'm ready. Are you guys ready? Go! Oh. Woo! I got stuck. Yeah, I ran away. Did you get out? Did you get out? I didn't even hear it.
This way, and I wasn't quite sure where you were, and then he hit me from the side.
You want to see what my beavers
I mean,
are
they
doing?
just, all it was like barely touch me.
Oh,
yeah.
whoa.
Yeah, skyrocket.
They're going straight up into the air. I had no chance. And I didn't have enough time to adjust anything.
I heard you guys talking. I was like, okay, someone's out.
You didn't hear me yell hit, I take it.
Nope.
That sticker right in the leg.
Where'd I get you? Hand? Oh.
So that's the only thing you could really see was my face.
Eh.
Yeah, I was wondering if you hit your hat or something.
Yeah, I hit my goggle.
Oh, you hit the goggle.
Yeah,
Dunk. Headshot. Man, they were.
there we go.
They must have been all going around you then.
Huh?
When you were over here somewhere.
Oh yeah, they were going. They were flying all over the place.
Oh man, it was like a laser beam though. Like they were all, the grouping was like.
Mine would have been if I had my dang hop up adjusted like it is now.
Yeah, because
They were just flying up into the air. And I'm like, what the heck is going on?
like I'm shooting that big green bush up there. I can hit that.
What, I'm thinking about that tree?
Yeah, like way up there.
Yeah, but you're also shooting probably a lot hotter than we are.
Yeah. Well, my
I've got
spring
my-
is.
I've got my slow spring in the gun. I'm shooting probably about. Yeah, you're probably shooting about 300, and mine's probably hitting at about that 300, 290, 300.
And mine's about 4 something, probably.
Mine would be at about 450 if I had my other spring in,
Right.
but
Well, that was a good round.
How come you got the tire?
Oh,
VIP.
VIP.
Oh,
The only thing I wish is I can't retract my
That's why I have
stock
the slow spring in here.
is because the lipo.
a
It
little longer or something?
no, it doesn't go all the way into the buffer tube for whatever reason.
What lipo are you using?
Just an 11.1.
Is it a single?
Yeah, single strand. It's the same one you have.
Mine's double.
Oh yeah, that's right. You have that long and the short one, right?
Yeah.
Mine's not that one, but I'll probably need more BBs after that round.
That's not good. You can see where you hit me at. Probably right there.
Let's see.
The little pebbles.
Oh, yep.
Probably right where you got me.
Dunk. That was a good one. That was a good round.
Yeah, that's where you got me.
That was a good firefight. I haven't had a good firefight like that in a while. Were you behind this bush right here?
It would have been better if my BBs were flying straight. It would have been more of a firefight.
I know.
I was just trying to suppress you a little bit to try to get closer. That's all I was trying to do because my
And
BBs.
you went around that side.
Yeah,
It was
I
like,
went up-
whoa!
I went up on this rock. So I was sitting about right here, back here. Shooting
Oh.
at you at that rock back there.
Yeah.
My BBs were flying straight over the top of your head, so I was aiming like super low
Uh-huh.
to try to arc them up into you.
Yeah.
So I was hitting bushes and stuff. So that's why I pushed up to this rock to get closer by, 15, 20 yards.
Man, I just felt like you were so far away. But it was hard to see because I had the sun.
Yeah.
I was like, where'd he go? He blended in with the bush.